pollution is a contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical or biological agent that modifies the natural characteristics of the atmosphere. Household combustion devices, motor vehicles, industrial facilities, and forest fires are common sources of air pollution.
So, yung air pollution daw is contamination siya between indoor and outdoor. So, meron daw itong nabigay na hazard sa health natin.
Yes.
So, causes. Number 1, smog and soot. Smog and soot. These are the two most prevalent types of air pollution. Smog, sometimes referred to as a ground level, although occurs when emission from combusting fossil fuels react with sunlight. Soot, a type of particular matter, is made up of tiny particles of chemical soil, stone, dust, or allergens that are carried in the air.
Yes.
Number 2, hazardous air pollutants. These are chemicals that can harm human health and the environment. They can cause a range of health issues, including skin irritation, cancer, and premature death.
Greenhouse gases are gases in the atmosphere that trap heat from the sun, warming the planet. The main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. Greenhouse gases are cause ng human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, livestock farming, and landfills. Pollen and mold. Mold and allergens from the trees, weeds, and grass are also carried in the air. Are exacerbated by climate change and can be hazardous to health. They are regulated, can be considered a form of air pollution.
Effects on wildlife. Toxic pollutants in the air or deposited on soils or surface water can impact wildlife in a number of ways, like humans, animals, that experience health problems if they are exposed to sufficient concentrations of air toxins over time. Crop and forest damage. Air pollution can damage crops and trees in a variety of ways. Ground level ozone can lead reduction in agricultural crop and commercial forestry, reduce growth and survivability of these and increase plant susceptibility to disease, pests, and other environmental threats. According to the 2020 State of Global Air Report, which summarizes the latest scientific understanding of air pollution around the world, 4.5 billion deaths were linked to outdoor air pollution exposures in 2019.
Next one is how to help air pollution. How to help reduce air pollution. Use less energy, use efficient appliances and heating systems, get an energy audit and follow the advice. Turn off electrical stuff you are not using. Dito daw, kailangan nyo daw tanggalin lahat ng mga electrical appliances nyo na hindi nyo na ginagamit. Kapag tapos nyo na or hindi nyo na kailangan gamitin.
Opo.
Next one is keep your car in good repair. So dito, kailangan yung kung may kotse man kayo, kailangan yung kotse nyo in good repair or in good
Condition.
condition. Hindi siya dapat nag-uusok ng mga itim, ganyan.
Kasi harmful.
And, ayun. How to, the third one is, don't burn your garbage. Burning your household garbage is dangerous to your health and our environment, and generally against the law. Yung pagsunog daw ng basura nyo is against the law. So, yung mga plastic na hindi pwedeng sunugin, huwag nyo susunugin dahil nakakasira ito ng air natin.
Opo.
Next is plant and care for trees. Trees filter pollutants and absorb carbon dioxide. Trees also release oxygen into the atmosphere and help cool our homes. Yan. So, dito naman daw, kailangan natin mag-plant ng halaman or mga puno para ma-reduce yung mga pollutants sa air kasi yung halaman o kaya mga puno ay nakaka-absorb ng carbon dioxide pati yung mga pollutants. In conclusion, air pollution is a significant global issue that affects indoor and outdoor environments through the introduction of harmful chemicals, physical or biological agents. Major sources include household combustion device, motor vehicles, industrial facilities, and forest fires. The consequences of air pollution are severe, contributing to nearly 7 million deaths annually, as reported by WHO. The most prevalent types of air pollution, smog and soot, arise from fossil fuel emissions and particulate matter, respectively, and pose serious health risks, including respiratory problem, cancer, and premature death. So, to conclude, wag tayong susunod na mga plastic or anything na makakasira ng air natin, and we need to plant trees para makatulong tayo sa environment. Next.
How to protect your health. Recommendation 1 is stay away from the harmful smoke. Yung ibig sabihin lang dito, if you live or work in an area that's prone to wildfires, stay away from the harmful smoke as much as you are able. Explanation lang nito ay lumayo lang tayo sa mga mausok na lugar at para di malangap yung mga usok kasi nagkakaroon po yun ng long-term effects and problems sa health. Issue 2, if you exercise outside, stay as far as you can from heavy traffic roads. At kung mag-exercise naman daw tayo sa labas or kung example is yung jogging, need po natin na lumayo tayo sa mga mausap at mga basta mausap. And then, shower and wash your clothes to remove fine particles. If ma-expose po tayo sa mga smoke sa labas, is need natin ng proper showering.
So ayun, to conclude, pwede ba kami makahingi ng another example na kung paano makakatulong sa environment para ma-reduce yung risk na air pollution? Sino? Anyone? Bukod sa plant trees and yung pagsusunog ng plastic na nagabawal. Sino? Someone? Gaji? Mag? Mag-bike na lang?
Gumamit ng kotse.
Gumamit ng kotse, sige, pwede para hindi tayo makaano sa trabaho.
For better, pampalit sa mga makinang kotse, yung katulad ng Tesla na electrical na. Electric type na kotse, para kung may gadget, less air pollution dito sa
Tama, use e-bikes or e-vehicles. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mga sasakyan, kailangan bumili ng mga environmental na mga vehicles. Ganun.
Ano
Ano ba?
use tools na hindi naman gumagamit ng power para malinis yung dami-dami na pinagiging sa
Like what?
Kunwari, kung na gumamit ng machine,
Pwede. Yung mga, ano pa, mga other examples ng pag-prevent ng air pollution. Lana, sige ikaw ang nila.
sa ano, sa mga factories,
Ano?
masyadong pa-ganun chemicals para
Ako hindi mo sila makakontrol eh.
I mean, syempre, may prevention naman din eh. Kaso kung mas ay mas mahal siya. Kasi di ba, 70% ng air pollution galing sa mga factories and chemical na
Tama, doon na rin niya sa, ano, sa sinabi ko katulad ko rin sa pagsunod ng plastic para hindi maglabas ng ilimaw. Okay na. Yun lang guys, thank you.